Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to become an eBay expert. Firstly open eBay application on your device and then go to selling section at the bottom side of the screen basically open your listings and go to your orders. So keep an eye on this orders section. Also keep an eye on the sales and feedback in real time. Now we can go to browsing system and type this export.ebay.com and go to this page. And here on this page you will see a little guides for the beginners that just begin to sell on eBay. This is absolutely free training guides. So here are many topics, for example shipping, how to set up your shipping, and here you will see, for example, this article and read all this information. So this is a very useful tool if you are just starting. What else? You can also watch eBay's official videos on YouTube. Just search for eBay for Business and you will find tutorials on how to boost visibility, pricing strategies, and some shipping hacks and some other topics. What else? You can join the eBay community forums to ask questions and learn from experienced sellers. So going back to the application, here in the selling section you will see, if you basically sell on eBay, you will see your performance tab, because you see that I don't sell anything, so I don't have that function, but you will definitely have. So here in this performance tab you can track your metrics. It includes shipping time, listing views, and, for example, sales rate. You can also try going again to the browser and search for eBay Seller Hub, and you see that this page is divided into several sections, and we need more, and go to marketing and try some discounts. So this includes coupon, order discount, sale event, shipping discount, and volume pricing. So these tools can attract more buyers. Keep testing different strategies. So change up titles, try auctions, try some discounts, because experts are always learning. And finally, last but not least, stay consistent on eBay application. Becoming an expert isn't about luck, it's about learning, adjusting, and staying active. So that's how you can become an eBay expert. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.